Hey there, welcome to my passive income YouTube channel. And in this video today, I'm going to show how you're going to make $500 per day using the power of AI. As you know, AI is called artificial intelligence. So before we begin, just remember two things. Number one, I am not a native English speaker. And number two, I don't make notes. Means I have slides, but I don't make notes like what to speak, so I just go spontaneous. Sometimes people say I'm very fast, and sometimes they say, you don't, I don't get it. So my apologies in advance for that, but it's my passion to make videos, so I'm gonna continue, and I'll make sure this video is going to help you a lot. This is something unique, and due to the advancement of technology, it is making a lot of people a lot of money that they have not dreamt before. All right. So this series is the part of something I call the breed business, and this is the strategy one. Spelling of strategy is wrong. My apologies. But the strategy is to turn the AI images into the $500 per day business. And guys, this is like a very realistic amount. You are going to make way more than that. You just follow it step by step. And of course, use your brain and try to adjust it according to your skill set so you can make more money. Cool. So I'm not a screenshot guy, but me and my customers are making a lot of money from this, and this is like I don't like to show this, but people like to see the numbers, the green bars, blah blah. So yeah, enjoy it. But the people are making over five figures a month from the whole business model. And let's get started. So it will be covered into five step. I call it five-step system. Step one is to create account in Shopify. Now, I am assuming that you have certain knowledge of certain things. In case you don't have that, then you can Google the specific term. For example, the Shopify is simply a platform where you can create your e-commerce store. I'm not going to explain a lot about it, so you need to figure it out from Google or YouTube. Okay. So first thing is create an account in Shopify. So you can definitely use the link in the description. I'll be sharing something in the description. Use that because you're going to get 97% off on the Shopify and even the 3 months free trial. They keep on changing the offer. So depending on when you're watching this video, you can, avail the offer. But definitely something better than going directly to Shopify. All right. Cool. The first thing is just click on start free trial, and then you can enter your email address. It's a very basic form. I'm just starting, blah blah blah. Click on next. Online store, click on next. Do you have an online audience following? No. Click on next, and start with the store name. Just put anything out there, it doesn't matter, because eventually you'll have a domain name. If you already have a Shopify store, then you really don't need to have a new one. You can use the strategy in the old one. Okay, so assuming you have a Shopify store now what you have to do is in step two is to install a Below Profit app. Now, if you already know about Shopify store, then you must be knowing that they have an app store. Just like if you have an Apple phone, they have an app store in Apple. Same when Shopify have a Shopify app store where you can find the apps that is relevant to your business and you can install that into your store. So here we are going to use two apps. So first app is called the Below Profit app. All right, this is the one. So what they actually do is they are going to let you convert a design into a beautiful item, right? And not just that. I mean, there are like so many products that these guys offer for like $29.99 a month, which is totally worth it because you can create unlimited product. And just log into your Shopify store and then come to the URL. I am going to share this one in description too. And click on add app, so it will be added to your store and it will look something like this. All right, this is one of the sample store that I'm going to use in this video. So here you have to do the magic. Now in the step 3, you have to create an account on Etsy.com and install an Etsy app. So if you already don't know what Etsy.com, then that's really sad. But Etsy.com is one of the rising e-com platform where people, they can share their handmade stuff online on the website, and they are like expanding like anything. It's a very viral business model right now. It's not Amazon, but it's going to become an Amazon someday, or probably Amazon will acquire it. I don't know that. But the point is, we're going to use it. And for Etsy, like Below Profit, if you type Etsy app like this, then you're going to see many apps. The one that I recommend to use is this one. It's called Etsy Marketplace Integration because they have a free plan also, so you don't need to spend money. Here we go. So Etsy does charge a 20 cents per listing, which is like negligible because eventually you're gonna make a lot of money out of it. So this is the app I'm gonna suggest you to install. Again, click open your Shopify store, then come to this URL. I'll share the URL into the description and click on install app. I have already installed it, so it shows me an open app. Okay, so now you have Shopify store, you have Etsy app, and you have Pillow Profit app. So, but what we are actually doing in here, okay? So what we are doing is we are going to convert the knowledge of powerful AI search engine. Now, what is AI? It's called artificial intelligence. These days, you must be hearing a lot about ChatGPTs and different kind of engines. So for images, something called Del E. Let me show you the homepage. This is Del E, and this is again is free, and this is created by same guys who have like ChatGPT 4 called OpenAI, and Mr. Musk has a lot of money involved in this. And I heard that recently, I think one of the Microsoft has acquired this for $10 billion. Yes, it's a $10 billion. But anyways, it's free for us. So come here to the Del E link and click on sign up, and after that click on login, and then you will see something like this. Of course not this because I've changed it, but eventually you will find something like this, a big a blank box where you need to put something. So what we are going to do here is we are going to generate images because our business model is to create something like this. This is an AI generated bedding set that we have created using the image of Labrador, and is targeted to a specific state in USA, of course. So this one is I have created this one directly for US, but in the strategy we are going to target a specific US state like Texas or New York, something like that, so we can have more targeted design. All right, so once you have an account of Del E, the thing that you need to type in here, like something like this, create an image of Labrador. Now this is the trick. The trick here is you need to keep on changing this term to different kind of breeds. You know how many dog breeds are there? They're like 350 plus dog breed. So you need to change it with different breed. Let's play with, for example, we're gonna have pug. Sorry. So we said create an image of a pug with US flag and a Texas map. Okay, and then we click on generate. Now this is where the magic starts, and this is so cool. It has taken care of our image issues because we used to buy expensive images from website like Shutterstock. The one image, it costs like $5 or something, but here it's totally free because this particular AI engine is creating these images on the fly. All right, so there doesn't exist. It's actually making those images right on the spot when you put a command in there. Let's see what it's gonna come up with. Okay, guys, and the magic here is the command prompt. So make sure you can use exact the one I am using right now. It's like create an image of then a breed name of a dog, particularly with the US flag, and again change the city name, the region name to Texas, to different US states, so we can have more targeted designs. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. A lot of cough today. All right. It's taking a lot of time. It's like unusually more time. Well, because probably the engine is busy. So what I can do is I can probably hit the refresh button or something. Let me copy it again. Hit refresh. And let's see. Let's wait for a while again. See, because this image engine is free for now, so people all over the world are searching different stuff. And as an e-commerce marketer, we try to play with a lot of things, try new ideas, innovations, because once you are the first one, you always enjoy the fruits. So right now, not many people know about the whole process thing because this is something that we have developed ourselves, the strategy to convert these images. So meanwhile, I can show you some existing images. For example, like this one, This is the command prompt that we have used is draw a picture of Labrador Retriever sitting in the fields of flowers. So it came up with these 4 amazing images. Then all you have to do is just choose one of them, and then you can, like for example, if you like this one, see, always try to use an image of a dog which is like happy, because the dog owners, dog lovers, they understand the expression. So this is like a happy, cute Labrador Retriever. So once you like the image, just click on these 3 dots and then you can click on download. So it will immediately download the images. So once you have your image in hand, then you come back to your Shopify store, and here you need to click on add product in the Pillow Profit app. Okay. So here they have like numerous product that you can sell. This is amazing. But we need something that is more clean and clear that people can understand the design. My personal favorites are the phone cases. I like phone cases because you can sell a lot. People can have like different phones. They can buy more. And the other favorite that I like is the bedding set because it's easier. So what you have to do is, for example, it's a bedding set. If you click on this, it retails as $42 something, $42 to $59. So you can sell it easily for somewhere like $99. That is like $40 profit. If you remove the ad price, Etsy price or something, you're still going to make around $30, $25 to $30 in pure profit. And because these designs are so unique that people have never seen them before, you are going to, you're going to enjoy the monopoly for now. And we are doing a big numbers with this. This is a sample store just for the video purpose, but we are testing it out. We're testing new things, not just bedding sets. We are starting doing car seat covers, sneakers, and everything is created from the images right from this AI engine. This way we don't need to worry about the copyright issues. And again, this is $69.99. We sell a sneaker. It just costs us like what? Around $32. So that's like something $40 profit. And if you minus the Etsy cost, then it will be at least $30 in profit. So you sell 2 or 3 of these, you make $100 a day. That's like super easy. But because the design are new and the dog lovers spend billions of dollars, guys, approximately $130 billion was spent last year by the dog owners in USA alone. And once a design is hit, let's say this is the Texas print sneakers. So once the design is hit and you can see the sales are coming in, then all you have to do is just change the name of Texas to, let's say, New York. And then you can go to Fiverr.com and ask the designer to recreate the same design with the New York map. So this way now you can target to people, specifically people from New York that owns or loves Beagle, like different breed. So the money here is itself in the command line. The target market here that we are following is people who like either love or own, let's say this one, people who love or own Labrador, and of course they're from US, and we are targeting to US. So eventually people are gonna love these designs. They're so unique, they're so lovely. And once you get a single hit, you can again scale the whole thing simply by uploading the product to different kind of product type. Like instead of beddings, you can simply go ahead and do, let's say, sneakers, or you can do mobile phone covers. The same design in different products, and this will increase your average order value. Can you see the idea? We are just targeting a specific breed owner for dog, Labrador, Chihuahua, Rottweiler, and then we have a pug. There are like so many. They're just on top of my head right now. There are 300 plus dog breed, but the 20 are the most common one in USA. Okay. So once you're done with this, then the next part is simply go to your Etsy app that you have just installed, like this one. And from there, because you have already created this design into your Shopify, you can easily transfer the design from Etsy app to Etsy store, right? So again, the process is quite simple. Let me go back here. First, we created an account in Shopify. Then we installed a Pillow Profit app. Then we got an account at Etsy.com and installed an Etsy app. Then eventually we did a Dell-E. We created an account at Dell-E and start generating these images. And we upload these images into Pillow Profit app and finally transfer those product listing like this directly to the Etsy marketplace. And guys, Etsy like people do buy a lot of stuff from Etsy. You are going to make easy money. My like recommendation is do not list anything less than, like for example, if product price is $32, then double it. List, even add some $10 extra. Like my rule is double it plus add $10 extra. So like $79.99. So the point is, you don't want a lot of sales. You just want like 3 or 4 sales a day. So that will eventually make you a lot of money in the long run. And people can come back to your original Shopify store and buy the same stuff for at a cheaper price. Okay. So this is it. Now, if you have some questions, if you are confused about something, then drop a comment there and I'm going to reply to you whenever I have a time. And in the next part of the question, I'm going to show you a new strategy. Same way, we are going to use everything same, but this time we're going to use eBay and Amazon. So this way, if you're, let's say you're just making 2 sales a day from Etsy, you're going to scale it to Amazon and to eBay, which will add another 4 or 5 sales. The margin that we are targeting here is at least $30. That's $150 right from the organic search engine. After that, I'm going to put one more video and I'll show you how you're going to advertise the winning designs, means the one that is already getting sales from Etsy, eBay, and Amazon to Facebook ads. So this way, we already know the winner. We know which one is selling well. We're going to target it. We're going to laser target it to the exact audience that would love to buy it. That's why we are creating a breed-based product and targeted to a specific US state. So this way, it will be easier to advertise the product on Facebook without a rocket science concept, a very straightforward concept. And I'm going to show you everything in the series in the next few videos. So guys, if you like it, just make sure you subscribe it. And I'm going to come up with new stuff, and you can check the description for any updates if there is. And once again, thank you for watching this video. I'm going to show you in the next one, right? So bye-bye.